welcome to this video, guys. And in this video we are going to be going over how to use the test features on CapCut. All right, so we are going to be going over everything test. All right, so you will not be able to complete everything, but we are going to go over the major stuffs on that test. Okay, so let's jump right into the video. All right, so I'll be using this for example. All right, so this is just a raw footage of a video. All right, this is just a raw footage unedited. All right, so now where is the test feature? So you're going to see the test feature right here. All right, so that's where our test is. Okay, so now let's click on the test. Okay, once you click on the test, this bar will appear. All right, so you are going to see all these things down here. You are going to see all these things down here. All right, so you are going to see them all. So now let's go over the first thing here. So you are going to see test here. You can input your test. It's going to appear on top of the video. Okay, it's going to appear on top of the video. Okay, let's just type anything. My upcoming events. All right, so that's going to appear. Once you are done, just click on this tick arrow that you are done. All right, this tick arrow here. Okay, just click on that tick arrow that you are done. All right, so we are going to click on that now. All right, and the test is here. You can actually move it. You can see the cursor on my screen. Okay, you can move it. You can make it bigger. You can make it smaller, right? So you can do anything that you actually wish to do with it. All right, so and now what else can you do with test? Okay, let's stretch it over to the end of the video. Okay, so for you to know if the test is at the center, just drag it. You're going to see a line and a vibration that will indicate that it's already at the center. So the test is currently at the center. All right, so this is just an example. All right, the test is currently at the center. Okay, so let's move on. What else can we do with test? If you want to edit the test, just double tap on the stuff down here. Okay, just double tap on it. Okay, you'll be able to edit it. Or there are two ways to hit. Or you can use this. Just click on this pencil like stuff here. Yeah, so click on that pencil like stuff for you to edit it. So let's try to edit the test. Okay, so once you click on it, you have fonts. The first thing you see here, you have fonts, you have styles, you have effects, right? You have all those things there. All right, so let me click on fonts. Okay, we are already on font, and here you are going to see English. Okay, somewhere around there you are going to see English. Okay, so I'll click on that English. It is going to bring the default CapCut fonts that are available, the fonts that are available within CapCut. All right, so you can use system, you can use classic, you can use typewriter, you can use freehand, you can use Rubik. But personally, I use system most of the time, classic. Sometimes I use elegant. All right, and I also have my collection of fonts myself. All right, that I downloaded. All right, so you can see them right here. Okay, my collection of fonts are here, so you can see them down here. Okay, sorry for that. You can see them down here. These are my collection of fonts that I downloaded for projects. Okay, so you can also download fonts, and we are going to go over that in the upcoming videos. Okay, how to go about downloading fonts and many other stuffs. All right, so now I think we are done with that. Okay, the next thing, let me use something else. This font is not really okay. So the next thing here, you are going to see styles. Okay, you are going to see styles. All right, right here you are going to see effects. We are going to take each and every one of them one by one. You are going to see bubbles. You are going to see presets. Okay, so now let's go to styles. Okay, on that side you have a lot of things. Okay, you can just explore this yourself. I won't be able to go over everything. All right, okay, so you have to explore yourself too. All right, so under this you can choose, okay, some styles for your test. Okay, you can choose some styles. You can see it's different now. Okay, you can choose styles for your test. You can choose styles for your test. I love to keep it at this, and you are going to see here is where you can change your color, the color of your test. You see test here, and you see color, the color stuffs right here. Okay, you are going to see the color box here. Okay, so that's where you can change your test, and down here you can increase the size of your test. You can bring it back, you can increase it, you can bring it bigger, you can make it bigger, you can bring it back. All right, so here you can increase the opacity or reduce the opacity, and you can see this is dark, right? That's because we used an effect. So you can reduce the opacity. This can be used for watermarking your videos. Okay, and you don't want to make it too prominent, but you want to watermark your videos, you can use this opacity feature, right? And we have brand color. This is basically not really for you. You can actually use that as a kit for YouTube, but that's some things you can explore yourself. All right, so you have stroke. Okay, you can see the function of stroke now. We have glow. This is only available for pro users. Okay, so it can make your test glow. You can see it now. Okay, so you can adjust the settings. Okay, the intensity and the range. Okay, the intensity and the range, so you can adjust the stuff right here. All right, just make sure you can use this too, and you can see. All right, so just make sure you play around with it. And background, you can create background for your videos here. Okay, so you can create background for your videos here. Let me remove the glow since I'm creating background already. All right, so you can create backgrounds for your test right here. All right, so and you can increase the corner radius. Okay, you can increase the opacity, you can reduce it, you can increase the height, you can reduce it, you can increase the width, you can reduce it. Okay, and other stuff that you can do, just go around, just play around with it. And because this, okay, let me remove the background. Okay, so we have curves too. You can make your text, okay, you can make it curve. Yeah, you can make it very curve to fit in the head of the person. Okay, it's actually depends on you. So you can make it circular, you can make it this way, and you can make it curve this way. All right, so there's no limit to what you can do basically with this. All right, so you can make it curve, and you can see that now. And there are other stuff you can do too. So all right, so that's that about that. So just make sure you play around with it. Okay, so we have this already, so let's complete what you started. So under this test you have stickers. All right, so stickers are different from overlay. All right, so you can choose from the range of stickers here for me whatsoever thing you want to do. All right, so you can actually choose.
If you're currently struggling with sales in...
All right, so you have this. Okay, this is a sticker. Okay, so and there are other stuff you can do with stickers too. Okay, you have a lot of them, just explore. And you can also import your own stickers, okay, using the stuff right here. You can see the arrow, right? So what you have to do is simple. Just click on it, and once you click on it, you see, I will blur this out. So you see a range of stuff that I've downloaded myself. I can bring it in. So this is already a sticker, so I brought in a new sticker. And there are other stuff you can do, like animate your stickers. Okay, once you click on the sticker, just click on animate. Okay, just click on animate,
if you're
and you
currently
can use
if you're
bouncing,
currently
you can use spring,
if you're
you
currently
can use
if you're
fading,
currently
you can use
if you're currently
minimalism. You can actually use anything that you wish to use. Okay, so you have out, you have loop, so we have other stuff here. Just make sure you play around with it. All right, just make sure you play around with it. Okay, so that's that about that. You can also animate your text, lest I forget. All right, so we have effects. You can change the effects. Okay, just play around with it. You can animate your text. Okay, you can animate your text.
if you're
Okay, you can
currently
make it fading,
if you're
you can
currently
make
struggling with
it
sales in your
typewriter, All right, so basically the most popular ones I use typewriter, I use bounce in, okay, I use glitch, okay, I also use some other features too. All right, so just play around with it and know what actually looks good or that is good for you. All right, so there are other features right here. Just make sure you play around with it. All right, explore these things yourself, but those are the basics. All right, but those are the basics, so explore the rest yourself. So we are still going to go over some other stuff during our practical sessions. All right, so this is just the beginner stuff. So we are going to do a lot of projects in this course. I'm just trying to introduce you to the basics. All right, so that's that about that. And okay, one important thing that we forgot: auto caption. All right, so you can actually get auto caption from the video. So just click on okay, you can see all, you can see video, then choose a template. Okay, this way you choose your templates. You can see templates right here. So this is the template I just chose. All right, so you can identify filler word, you can auto highlight, you can use any of those things. And yeah, so that's it about that. And for bilingual caption, okay, that's if it is not English. All right, and you want to get other languages too, you can actually choose that. All right, so but we are just going to click on generate right now and wait for our captions to generate. All right, okay, so it's going to be very fast, and you can see this. All right, so you can see this.
If you're currently struggling with sales in your business, I know exactly how you feel. Because when I started out, I tried just about every
So you can see it's as simple as that. So that's auto caption for you. All right, so and that's where we are going to be ending the lesson for captions, for tests rather. So we are still going to go over many of these things in our practical sessions, but for now we are going to stop here for the beginners level. We are going to go into more advanced stuff as we move on. All right, so let's meet in the next video.